Hey guys, I got some good news, and it's coming from Mitsubishi. The Mitsubishi Lancer is back. It's coming back, and I got some images. I got an image to prove it. Look at this. Oh, look at it. It's so cool. Look at the front. The grille is so beautiful. It's lower to the ground, not like the ASX. It's got a spoiler, unlike the ASX. Oh my god. I'm so glad Mitsubishi has listened to us. It's incredible. Now, as much as I want this to be real, it isn't. It is, in fact, an April Fool's joke. But, oh man, it would have been so good if Mitsubishi were to make the Lancer like this, rather than having the ASX and the Eclipse Cross, which are two unnecessary cars. Like, they've already got the Pajero and the Outlander as the SUVs, and now they decided to make two more and replace the Lancer. What is wrong with you, Mitsubishi? And if you were to bring back the Lancer, you better not turn it into an SUV, which we will get to later on. But big prompts to Prisk, the Photoshopper who pretty much made this a reality digitally. From far as I can see, it is a Mitsubishi Lancer X with a front end of a modified Eclipse Cross. It just looks amazing. It looks like something that will kick the ass out of Subaru Impreza WRX. And this is the article where I got the image from and how I got the story. If this was real, you'd see more of this over the ASX, the Eclipse Cross, or even the Subaru Impreza WRX. Like, a lot of people would buy this car. And now Subaru is reigning supreme over the Mitsubishi because Mitsubishi has lost their ways and they decided to make the ASX and the Eclipse Cross, which are both garbage. Here's something that the article has stated, and it's true. It is painful for me to say this, but so we continue to wait, taking in the view of what might be, but also expecting that if a new Evo does turn up, it will probably be an SUV. As much as I do not want this to happen, it is going to happen. Mitsubishi will continue to decline people's requests for the return of the true Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution over an SUV that will have the Lancer name, pretty much like they did to the Eclipse. And here is the nail in the coffin for Mitsubishi Motors, as I will read this part. The Lancer is no longer in production,
but its legacy lives on through the passion of our drivers and our innovative, ambitious lineup.
I beg your pardon? Did you just say innovative, ambitious lineup? What do you have? Oh, okay, let's see. We got the Mitsubishi Mirage, which could have been good, but you somehow screwed it up and ended up being the worst car ever made. The ASX, that car replaced the Mitsubishi Lancer, and it's pretty much like the Lancer, but boring. Eclipse Cross. Could have been a good crossover. Like, not gonna lie, that would have been a very cool ass car because it looks really good as of today. But no, you decided to take advantage of the Eclipse name, and now it is pretty much a unnecessarily piece of shit ASX that looks a little bit better. Like, you've already got the Pajero, that's a good SUV. You got the Outlander, which is also very good. Why spend your money making an ASX and Eclipse Cross when you can get rid of those two and just make the Mitsubishi Lancer? What's so innovative about making crossovers and SUVs when every other car makers are doing it too? Mitsubishi, if you're going to make another car to add to your so-called innovative and ambitious lineup, it better be a Lancer. And you better not make it an SUV or crossover, especially when other car makers are doing the same. That's not innovation. That's playing it safe. Take Nissan, for example. Nissan is taking a risk with their 400Z, and it's working because everyone is looking forward to fork their money to purchase one. So you should too. And it's simple. All you have to do is take a Nissan Altima, change the exterior and interior to your style, replace the engine and transmission to your own, because let's face it, Nissan CVTs are unreliable. Finally, call it a Lancer and make it pricier than the Altima, so that there is no conflict between the two, because if you made it cheaper, most people would buy it and you would probably break the relationship with Nissan and Renault. And we don't want that. We want you to continue working with Nissan. And that's it. Nice and easy. As long as it isn't another SUV or crossover, you'll become an innovative and ambitious car brand, as you stated. But I hope you enjoyed this April Fool's video. I haven't been uploading lately due to work, but I'm more active on Twitch, so please follow me there. The link's on the description below. And you guys better be glad that it isn't Mitsubishi that made this April Fool's joke. Otherwise, they would have filed for bankruptcy. So, be glad for that. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!